All right, so we're going to do DMR today. So your directions are to simplify the following expression. 5 minus 2 squared plus 12 divided by 4. Now, I don't have the lines with the arrows for each step that you have done like I had for last week. So as I told you last week that you're going to have to know how to do that without me. So this time I've done text boxes for you to help you out. Now there are going to be some problems where I'll still do it for you, but not every problem. So when there's text boxes, you're going to be typing each step out in those text boxes. So for example, we're looking for our parentheses in this. PIMDAS, we got to solve that order. Parentheses is first. 5 minus 2 squared plus 12 divided by 4 has no parentheses. So I'm going to place a check over my P. No parentheses. 5 minus 2 squared plus 24 divided by 4. I'm looking for my E, which is exponents. I see an exponent. 5 to the second power is the same thing as 2 times 2, and it's an exponent. If I don't know 2 times 2, and I'm struggling with my multiplication facts, remember that X, the red X is for you to click on, and you can click for it to be your multiplication chart. So seeing that I have 2 squared, and I know that's 4, I'm typing in everything I have not touched in that problem. So the 5 and the minus sign, I didn't touch those. But the 2 squared I did, which turns into a 4. So I place a 4. Then I write plus, because I didn't touch that plus. I didn't touch the 12. And division, I do a slash, and then 4. Because I did not touch 12 divided by 4, and I did not touch the 5 minus. Okay, so now I'm looking at my new equation, or I'm sorry, expression. 5 minus 4 plus 12 divided by 4. Done with exponents. There is none. Now that was step 1 considered. 2 to the second power is step 1. Now I'm looking at my new problem. 5 minus 4 plus 12 divided by 4. Looking for multiplication and division. I don't see any multiplication, but I see division. So again, I did not touch that 5. I did not touch that minus. I did not touch that 4. I did not touch that plus. However, 12 divided by 4 is the inverse operation of 4 times what gives me 12. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, because I know 4 times 3 is 12. So I type my answer because I've touched it, and I don't leave that in the problem anymore. So now my new problem is 5 minus 4 plus 3. I don't see any multiplication or division, so I put a check over my multiplication and division. Next, I have addition and subtraction. I have subtraction and addition. So when I have both in a problem and they're considered to be next to each other, because only one number is separating them, that 4 separates them, so those operations are technically next to each other, I solve from left to right. So I start off by solving 5 minus 4, which is 1. Did not touch that plus 3, so I have to leave it there. And then I do my last step. 3 plus 1 is 4. All right, and then I am done with my addition and subtraction. So my answer is 4. Okay.